Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little holiday vlog, a couple days of my life during the holiday season. I actually just posted a getting in the Christmas spirit vlog, like doing a bunch of holiday things. I wanted to do another holiday vlog since I'm not doing vlogmas this year. The reason I'm not doing vlogmas this year is because I'm still posting 2 to 3 times a week. I like to do a lot of fashion content, gift guides. I thought I would just skip vlogmas of like actually vlogging every day and just do more fashion content and other stuff. I still wanted to do some vlogs. I just want to take you guys along with. I'm going to be doing some Christmas shopping, getting my nails done, just doing a whole bunch of Christmas things, probably wrapping some gifts and stuff as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do, and if you'd like to see some more vlogs on my channel, comment below some things you like to do during the holiday season. Let's just get into the vlog. I'm actually about to meet my friend Kylie for sushi. It isn't really holiday themed, but that's just like what I'm doing today. We'll probably get coffee afterwards. I feel like we always go and get coffee afterwards. Later, I'm getting my nails done. It's literally been 4 weeks since I've gotten my nails done, so they're really grown out. I think I'm gonna do like red or maybe white chrome or something. I feel like that would be really wintry. I haven't decided yet, but I'm getting my nails done later. Gonna do some little Christmas nails. That is kind of my plans for today. I have a package coming in from Lulus. They have so many cute things for the winter and holiday season. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, so thank you so much to Lulus for sponsoring. I'm gonna do a little clothing haul from them later in this video. I picked up so many cute things. I'm so excited for my package to come. I'm just gonna get sushi and I will talk to you guys later. I'm here with Kylie. We just got some coffee. It's not really a Christmas drink, but they're just vanilla and caramel. Cheers. How was your sushi?
I'm so full.
I got a California and a fried roll, which is like the 2 basic ones.
I think you always have to go with the basic.
Kylie got me a little gift, like makeup and skincare. I'm so excited. Thank you, Kylie.
You're welcome. Bessie's treat jar.
I'm back home, but I totally forgot to mention, follow Kylie's TikTok because she has the best makeup and skincare content. She posts reviews specifically for dry acne prone skin. She does like get ready with me. She also does like day in the life vlogs, which I love her day in the life vlogs. Definitely follow her on there. I just got a huge package from Lulus full of winter staples and cute pieces. I thought I would do a little haul. I'm literally so obsessed with everything. So many great like holiday kind of outfits. I'm actually partnering with Lulus on this video, so thank you so much to Lulus for sponsoring. I feel like this is the perfect time of year to treat yourself to some new pieces, kind of update your winter wardrobe. Use code EmilyB20 for 20% off site-wide for first-time customers only. If you aren't familiar with Lulus, they are kind of like attainable luxury. Everything they have is super good quality. It's also still affordable, so you get really good quality for also like a really good price. For example, this entire outfit is under $250. The sweater, the jeans, the boots, and the earrings. The sweater is super cozy and warm and thick. These earrings are nice. They're like super good quality. The jeans are literally Levi's and they're so comfortable. The boots are really nice, like vegan leather. I just love Lulus as a brand. I feel like they have so many versatile pieces on their website. Definitely recommend checking them out. Of course, I'm gonna have everything that I'm showing linked below in the description, so if you want to shop any of these pieces, they'll all be linked below. First up, I got this sweater. I think it's so cute. It's a really good staple for the winter time. It's like very chunky and boxy, and I just love like this style of sweater. And it's like a very thick kind of knit material, like very warm. It would be great if you live somewhere that's really cold. I also picked up these earrings. I think these are so cute. This would be a great gift too if you're looking for like some last minute gift, and this is just like the perfect size and shape. I love these types of earrings. They're like perfect for every day, just like some gold chunky hoops. Next up are these jeans. I really love these. These are the Levi ribcage straight jeans. I love this wash. I love the fit of them. They're very high-waisted and tight fitting. I think they're super cute. They're just like a really soft, comfortable denim. I feel like you just can't go wrong with a pair of Levi's. These are a really good staple. Super cute, super trendy, very comfortable as well. Next up is this coat. This might just be my favorite thing that I got from Lulus. I am just so obsessed with this. I can't wait to wear it. This is literally the softest material. I wish you guys could feel it. It almost feels like a blanket. It also just looks really chic as well. I feel like you could dress this up or dress it down. You could wear it with a hoodie and sneakers, or you could wear it with like a cute sweater and boots. I have like several coats of this style, but this is the nicest one I have by far. Literally just so nice. I feel like this is gonna be my new go-to coat. Like, it's so cute and so nice. I also got this sweatshirt. I think this is so cute. It's like this very dusty sage color. I love it because it's kind of like a neutral but kind of like a color. I just really love it. It's also just really comfy and cozy. It's literally so soft. It's like the perfect fit. It's like not too oversized or too fitted. It's just like perfect. I also got this sweater. I thought this was so cute and it just looks so wintry, so Christmassy. I love the like little fur trim collar, and then the cable knit. I think it's so cute. I very much went for like a tan neutral kind of vibe. I feel like the buttoned up sweaters are very, very in right now. I feel like the style of this is very trendy. Next up is this scarf. I cannot get enough of these chunky kind of checkered scarves. I have another one from Lulus and it is my favorite scarf. Like, I wear it so much. I thought this one would be so cute. I love the colors. This would look really good like in the fall, the winter, and even like early spring. There's like a light purple and then like some pink and orange and cream. I just think it's so cute, and I like that the colors are kind of muted, so it's not like too bright. These scarves are just such a good essential. This one is just like a really nice like material. It's like really soft. I also got this bag. I've been seeing like this style of bag everywhere, and it's kind of been on my wish list. Just like a nice big black tote bag, and it also comes with this little pouch as well, and then like another like little strap for it. Kind of like a little 2-in-1. The inside is suede, so it's like really nice. I just really like this. Sometimes I just want a bigger bag to just kind of like throw everything in. Love this. I think it's super cute and functional. I also picked up a couple shoes. I got these little platform slippers. Not necessarily slippers, like you could just wear these out. I think these are just so cute. These would look so good with just like some sweats, or maybe like some leggings, or even just like some straight leg jeans. I love the platform. I just think it looks really stylish and cute. These are also so comfy and soft. Lastly are these black boots. I think these are so cute. I've been needing a good pair of like black boots. I love the style of these. They had so many cute boots. If you're looking for a good pair of boots or heels or anything, like they just had so many cute shoes. I went with these. I've been wanting a good pair of just like short little black booties. I feel like these are just a really good staple in the winter time, and I loved like the style and shape of these. Lastly, I got this little set of hair clips. I love this like really big hair clip. I don't have any that are this big, and then these ones are also really nice. I thought this was just like a good set of hair clips. This would also be like a good stocking stuffer or just like a good gift as well. I got it for myself. You can always use a couple more hair clips just like to keep in your purse, in your car, whatever. That is everything I got from Lulus. I hope you guys enjoyed this little winter try on haul. Definitely make sure to shop everything through the links below in my description. Check out Lulus. They have so many cute things on their website, so many great high quality pieces at an amazing price point. I just got a holiday drink from Dutch Bros. I've never had Dutch Bros before. I got one of their holiday drinks. Got the hazelnut truffle mocha, and it has like a cold foam with caramel syrup. Let's give it a try. I'm really excited to try this. I always hear people talking about Dutch Bros. This is good. This is very mocha-y. I love a good iced mocha, but you can definitely taste the hazelnut and caramel as well. You can get a free drink when you download their app. So if you're gonna go to Dutch Bros, download their app. I didn't do that, but I'm gonna do that for next time. This is definitely really good. I thought it was gonna be too sweet. I always hear people say that Dutch Bros is like really sweet. I don't like coffees that are really sweet, but this is like not that sweet. Like, I don't think it's that overly sweet. It's definitely really chocolatey and very like dessert-y. Definitely kind of like more of a dessert coffee. It's still really good. It's not like overpowering sweet. It tastes different with the straw. Oh, I think I got all the syrup that's like collected in the bottom. It's definitely really good if you're in the mood for something kind of rich. So I'm doing some Christmas shopping with my mom. Look at this stunning sunset. We're just doing some Christmas shopping. We just have a few more people on our list that we need to get gifts for. It is so cold. one last thing I wanted to do to kind of get ready for Christmas, get in the holiday spirit, that is wrapping some Christmas gifts. I just have a few gifts that I want to wrap. I actually just posted a whole what I'm giving for Christmas and wrapping my gifts vlog, so I'll link that here if you guys want to check that out. I have a few more gifts that I need to get wrapped. I also want to make some cookies. I'm just gonna do like the little Pillsbury sugar cookies. I have not had any of those yet this season and I've been like craving them, so I'm gonna make some of those. We're just gonna have like a festive night. I've got my cookies. They're so good. I tasted one just to make sure it was done. They didn't look done, but it said not to overcook them. I feel like I should just have one more. They're so good. I'm so glad I made these. They're so good. Perfect addition to a little cozy Christmas night. Got a movie going, Christmas cookies. Now it is officially time to wrap. Here's my little gift wrapping setup. I cleared off my coffee table so I can kind of use that as like a flat surface to wrap on. I have all my wrapping paper here in this little box with like some bows and tags. I'm all ready to wrap. I have this little gift here. This is for my mom and it's actually just some measuring cups. This was on her list. I got all this like paper last year. Just literally gonna control myself, obviously. I'm gonna do this one because my mom and I like to ice skate. It is a little bit later. I wrapped quite a few gifts. I think they all turned out super cute. I feel a lot more in the Christmas spirit now and a lot more prepared for Christmas now that I have some gifts wrapped, got some of my Christmas shopping done. That is everything for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed getting in the Christmas spirit with me, getting some holiday things checked off my list. Definitely make sure to check out Lulus. They have so many cute things for the winter time and the holiday season. I'm gonna have everything that I got linked below in the description. So if you want to shop any of the pieces I picked up, they'll all be linked below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below something you like to do during the holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.